Hello, this is just a quick video tutorial where we'll go over the waiting list feature on WC Online. This is a feature that allows providers to enter a standby list for an available appointment when the schedule or specific consultant is full. For this option to appear, you will have to be logged in to WC Online already. So as you can see, we did that, and this is what your page should look like. If you notice the schedule is full or a specific consultant is unavailable, the option for entering the waitlist should be here at the bottom right of the page. The way it works is that once you enter the list, you'll receive an email or a text notification when an appointment slot opens. After clicking on the waitlist option, you'll be able to choose if you'd like to wait for a specific consultant or simply any next available tutor. Then you'll also have the option of limiting the hours where you would be available for an appointment if a spot were to open. If you can only come after 10:30, you can select 10:30 or later for a starting time. And if you can only be here before 12:30, you can select 12:30 or earlier for an ending time. Then hit Join Waitlist. Once you enter the waitlist, you should see a message at the top of your screen saying that your changes have been successful. This means that if an appointment slot were to open between 10:30 and 12:30, you would receive an email notifying you that there is an available appointment. You would still, however, have to log back into WC Online and book the appointment yourself on the available slot. Keep in mind that the notification will go out to all people on the waitlist, so if there are multiple writers waiting, it'll be first come, first serve for who gets the available slot. If you log back in again and you can't see the open spot, this means another person has already taken the newly available appointment. If you wish to leave the waitlist, you can hit again the waitlist link here and hit Leave Waiting List, and this will stop sending you notifications if an appointment spot opens. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or you would like to schedule an appointment, please contact us at our information on screen. Thank you.